The project is laser security system. Now what is laser security system? Laser security system is a system which looks after the security of the house. Now what does it actually do? Like when we go out or when we sleep, if somebody tries to intrude into our house, then this laser security system makes us aware that somebody is just intruding into our house, and we get a beep on the phone or the buzzer beeps, and this is how it works. So now you can see that it's prevalent in many of the houses. It is implemented almost everywhere of the world. So let's see what is the concept behind it. So let's get started. So actually we have a emitter and receiver in most of the circuits which we have for the security purposes, or most of the systems have this idea that they have one emitter and a receiver. So what does the emitter do? It emits a beam of light or laser or any radiations, and is a receiver which receives these emitted radiations, lights or lasers, anything. So we have emitter, we have emitter, and we have receiver. Now somebody tries to come in between them, then the path is blocked. Now you can imagine, if the path is blocked, now the beam can't reach till the receiver. Now if the beam can't reach till the receiver, then the circuit will become incomplete. Now the circuit will become incomplete, then our system would react in such a way that the buzzer starts to beep and we get alert. So let's see how does the system works. In my system, I have used the same concept, but I've just replaced it with lights and photoresistor instead of LDR sensor which you use in laser system, and the laser diodes for the emitters which you use in the system of laser security. So this is the simulation. I'm starting it. Now you can see these bulbs were glowing. These indicate that I have started the system. Now at the starting, this thing, imagine that this is the laser diode and this is the receiver. This is the laser diode and this is the receiver. This is the emitter. This is the receiver. Now rays would be going from here to here. Now as the rays would be going from the emitter to the receiver, then this emitter would be passing on the, as the receiver converts the energy into electrical energy. This is light energy. This is photoresistor and converts light energy into electrical energy. So right now the system is complete. So you can say this system is complete. Now as it has got the signal that the signal is complete, it is showing green light and the buzzer is beeping. Now as soon as we push this press button, as you press this push button, you can see this red light has glowed. That means the system has now started. What does this mean now? When earlier it was green light, you could pass through it. Now if somebody tries to go through the green light, the red light, when the red light is glowing, and somebody is trying to go between these two emitters and the receivers, then these two bulbs would start glowing and this buzzer would start beeping. So let's see this. So of course, now if somebody tries to pass through this, the light path would be obstructed. This won't receive any light. No electrical energy would be formed. So you can say the electrical energy would be formed zero. Now as soon as there won't be any electrical energy formed, the buzzer starts to beep and get we get to notified, and now we get to notified that somebody has tried to intrude our home and we can call for the assistance. So this was my project. Here we use this bulb and this photoresistor Instead, you can use laser diode, which will emit laser, and you can use LDR sensor, which would receive it.